Welcome to the Knowledge Hub. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create particle effects in Photoshop. I will explain everything in so much detail that everyone can create it, even those who have just opened Photoshop for the first time. Before starting the video, you are requested to please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. Let's open the picture you want to create the particle effects for. Unlock the layer by double-clicking on it. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Let's hide the newly created layer and select the previous one. Select the polygonal lasso tool from the toolbar and make selection of the picture. Right-click on the selection and click on Fill. Select Content Aware from drop-down. The mode must be normal and opacity 100%. Click OK and wait for the magic to happen. Your background is ready. Now unhide the layer and select the Quick Selection tool from the toolbar. Make a selection of the object. You can remove the selection area by holding Alt key. Once the object is selected, add a layer mask to the layer. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Right-click on the layer and apply layer mask. Press Ctrl J to make a copy of the layer. Hide above layer, so we have to work on the other layer. Go to Filters and click on the Liquify filter. Select the forward wrap tool. Make brush size to 500. Density 50, and pressure 100. Start liquifying your picture like this. From left to right. Once it is done, click OK. Select the layer. Hold Alt and click on Add Layer Mask. It will be filled with black color. Now unhide the second layer, and add a layer mask to this layer, but without holding Alt key. It will be filled with white color. Now go to Brushes. Click on the setting icon on the right top corner. And click on the Import Brushes. Select Explosion Brush to import. If you don't have it, you can find the download link in the description. Now find the Explosion Brushes directory and select third brush. Adjust the angle. And adjust the size of the brush by using angle bracket keys on your keyboard. Now we have to work on the black layer. Adjust the angle of the brush and start applying until you get satisfactory results. More you work, the more you get the results. I hope this tutorial helped you learning. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. More basic to advanced level tutorials are coming soon.